Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add recipients in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, just click on All Contacts below Audience and click on Add Contacts. If you want to add multiple recipients, I recommend you to go with Import Contacts. Click on it. How would you like to add contacts? You can either import them from another service by uploading a file, a CSV or TXT file, or directly by copy and paste the email addresses in the box. I will go with copy and paste. Click on continue, and here you need to fill in the recipients following this format: the email address, the first name, the last name, and the address. Let's add this email address, for example, ben@bensexperience.com. My name is Ben. Click on continue to organize. Select the audience you want to add your recipients into. Click on continue to tag. Select the tag you want to add to these recipients. Click on continue to match. Select first name, click on confirm, and now click on continue to subscribe. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Select the email marketing status of these recipients. You can select between subscribed, unsubscribed, non-subscribed, and cleared. For sure, I will go with subscribed and hit finalize import. Review and complete your import. One contact will be added to this audience. Click on complete import. Your import was successful. To see your added recipients, click on this View Important Contacts button. Scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, this is my email address and my first name, and the email status subscribed. Let's check the date. It's the exact today's date. And this is how to add recipients in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.